class. In this class, I am going to explain the basics of logarithm for class 9th and 10th for all boards. No need to by heart anything about logarithms, and I will tell you the easiest way to solve the problems, textual problems and various problems given in various competitive exams. In your lower classes, you studied that addition and subtraction are the inverse to each other, and multiplication and division are the inverses to each other. Next, you also studied that, see, a to the power of n means a is multiplied n times, means a into a into a into n factors. Here a is called what we call a is known as the base and n is known as the exponent. Here observe this one, 2 to the power of 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 times. So when you multiply 2 4 times, you will get 16. In the same manner, when 100 is multiplied, see this one, 100 is written as 10 into 10, means 10 is multiplied 2 times. Here 10 is known as the base. Here also 5 to the power of 4. When 5 is multiplied 4 times, see this one, 5 into 5 into 5, 4 factors. See this one. So you will get 625. Here 5 is known as the base and 4 is known as the exponent or power. Here also see this one, 7 square means when 7 is multiplied 2 times you will get 49. So 7 is known as the base and 2 is known as the exponent. Next, at the same time, you also studied the laws of exponents or the laws of indices. See this one. For any two real numbers a comma b, see, which are greater than 0 and not equal to 1. Remember the condition. A and B are the real numbers greater than 0 but not equal to 1. And M and N are also the real numbers. M comma N are also the real numbers. So these are known as the what we call it the laws of indices or laws of exponent. You studied in your 7th class. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n, and a to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of mn, and a by b whole to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. At the same time, you also studied that a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Next, see this one. If a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then m is equal to n. You also studied that. A to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. So these are the laws of indices or laws of the exponent which you studied in your earlier class. Now we will study what is meant by logarithm of a number. Logarithm of a number. See, to solve the problems related to exponents and powers, we can say that the reciprocal of exponents is nothing but logarithm. Now we will study what is logarithm and how to solve the problems based on logarithm. See this one. Observe this one. 100 is equal to how much? 10 square. 100 is equal to 10 square. See this one. Logarithm of 100. What I am doing? Logarithm of 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. See, when the base is raised to the power 2, you will get 100. So, logarithm of 100 to the base 10 is equal to 2. Simply remember one thing. To what power the base should be raised to get the given number is nothing but the logarithm of that number. Okay, to what power? To what power the base is to be raised to get the given number. For example, see this one, 625 is equal to 5 to the power of 4. Here, observe this one. To get, see this one, to get 625, observe this one, the base is raised to the power of 4. So logarithm of 625 to the base 5 is equal to 4. So to get 625, the base, what is the base here? 5 is the base. The base is raised to the power 4. Are you clear? Therefore, we can say that logarithm of 625 to the base 5 is equal to 4. In the same manner, observe this one, 49 is equal to 7 square. Means it means that to get, what is the meaning of logarithm of 49 to the base 7? So when the base is raised to the power 2, see this one, when the base is here, base is 7. When the base is raised to the power 2, you will get, what is that? 49. Are you clear about that one? So therefore, logarithm of 49 to the base 7. So to what power? Here to what power the base. What is the base here? 7 is the base. When the base is raised to the power 2, you will get 49. Are you clear? So simply we say that logarithm of 49 to the base 7 is equal to 2. Next, observe this one. 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5, means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So therefore, logarithm of 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5, means it means that the base 2 is raised to the power 5. Okay, you will get 32. Therefore, logarithm of 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. So simply you remember that. So what is logarithm? Don't get confused. To what power the base is to be raised? To base is to be raised to get the given number. To get the given number is nothing but logarithm. So simply logarithms are the universe of exponents. Logarithms are the universe of exponents. Are you clear about that one? See this one. Here this is the definition given in almost all the textbooks. A to the power of x is equal to n. A to the power of x is equal to n. Where a comma n belongs to positive real numbers. What are a comma n? A comma n are the positive real numbers, and a is not equal to 1. A is not equal to 1. Remember that a is not equal to 1. The base is not equal to 1. Then x is called, see this, x is called, see this one, the exponent x is called logarithm of n to the base a, to the base a. So and is denoted by logarithm of n to the base a is equal to x. So this x is called logarithm of this number n to the base a. It means that when a is raised to the power x, you will get n. Are you clear about that? So logarithm of n to the base a is equal to x. So remember this formula. When a to the power of x is equal to n, logarithm of n to the base a is equal to x. Are you clear? Simply what you have to remember, to what power the base is to be raised. The base is to be raised to get the given number. Logarithms are the inverse of exponents. Are you clear? Who introduced this logarithm? The Scottish mathematician Jan Napier in the year 1614 introduced the concept of logarithm. So this logarithms plays an important application in various branches of science and mathematics. Now let us do few sums related to logarithms which were given in your textbook and in various competitive exams. See this one. Now see this one, logarithmic rule. While solving the problems in your textbook, you have to remember these rules. Logarithm of xy, logarithm of xy to the base a is equal to log x plus log y. This is known as what we call it a product rule. What we call it a product rule. Next one, logarithm of x by y to the base a is equal to log x minus log y. This is known as quotient rule. What is that? Quotient rule. Next, logarithm of x to the power of m is equal to m log x. This is known as the power rule. Are you clear about that one? Next one, logarithm of x to the base a is equal to logarithm of x to the base b divided by logarithm of a to the base b. This is known as change of base rule. While changing the base of the logarithm, okay, of the given number, you have to remember this rule. What is this rule? Logarithm of x to the base a is written as logarithm of x to the base b and the logarithm of a to the base b. Are you clear? Next one, see this one. Log x to the base a is equal to log x log y to the base a, then x is equal to y. Logarithm of x to the base a is equal to logarithm of y to the base a, then x is equal to y. These are known as what we call the logarithmic rule. So derivations is also there. How can we prove it? It is also given in your textbook. Okay. So I will explain all these derivations in another video. Now let us do few sums related to that. See this one. Convert the following in logarithmic form. Exponential form is given. So to solve these problems, remember that if a to the power of x is equal to n, then log n to the base a is equal to x. This is the formula you have to apply here. Given 5 square is equal to 25. 5 square is equal to 25. So logarithm of 25 to the base 5, logarithm of 25 to the base 5 is equal to, means when the base 5 is raised to the power 2, you will get 25. Therefore, logarithm of 25 to the base 5 is equal to, this is known as, what we call it, logarithm of form. This is known as exponential form. Now see this one, 81 to the power of 3 by 4 is equal to 27. So this, remember this formula, see this one. So logarithm of 27 to the base 81 is equal to 3 by 4. Are you clear? Next, see this one, another one. 3 to the power of 5 is equal to 243. Means logarithm of 243 to the base 3 is equal to 5. Means when 3 is raised to the power of 5, you will get 243. 243. Therefore, logarithm of 243 to the base 3 is equal to 5. So, what I told you, to what power the base is raised, to what power the base is raised is nothing but logarithm of that number. So the base 3 is raised to the power of 5, then you will get 243. Therefore logarithm of 243 to the base 3 is equal to 5. Okay. Next, another bit, see this one, convert the following in the exponential form. Exponent, this one is the, see this one, see this one here, convert the following in logarithmic form. You are asked to convert into logarithmic form, but here logarithmic form is given, you are asked to convert into the exponential form. Logarithm of 32 to the base 2 is equal to 5. So what is the base here? 2. What is the base here? 2. So to what power the base is raised to get 32? When the base is raised to the power of 5, means 2 is raised to the power of 5, you will get 32. Are you clear? So simple. This is the formula you have to apply here while doing these sums. Next one, see this one, logarithm of 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. You are asked to write in the exponential form. See this one, what is the base here? 3 is the base. When the base is raised to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4, you will get 81. Therefore, see this one, logarithm of 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. So when it is written in the exponential form, see this one, a to the power of x means, here compare these two, 3 to the power of 4, the given number is 81. So the base 3 is raised to the power of 4, then you will get 81. Therefore, logarithm of 81 to the base 3 is equal to 4. Thank you children. We will do some more videos based on your syllabus, and I will list out all the problems given in various competitive exams. I will give the crystal clear explanation on logarithms in my next videos. Follow my channel. Thank you children. If you like my channel, do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much.